This thing is massive. Time to unbox this. Proud of myself. Here's the soundbar itself, the speaker. I think these are the accessories. Let's see. Pretty cool. There's the power button. I believe these are mounting plates, an optical cable, what is this? Another, screws, batteries, zip ties, mail. And take information and it will work, and there you go. I'm not even kidding, I'm actually sweating right now. This is hard work. Hey guys, so today I'll be reviewing the LG SK9Y Soundbar, and as you can see, it's a really huge soundbar and you actually need two people to handle it, but oh well. So it has a really nice design. It looks like the SJ9 if you're very familiar with the old LG soundbars, and it is much better compared to like the SK10Y and the SK8Y, which is more boxy and looking in design. But only complaint here is that the top firing speakers are an absolute dust trap, as it is recessed inside the soundbar itself. The subwoofer has a really nice mesh all around it, and it has a nice premium look to it. There are some buttons on the soundbar, but it's definitely much easier to use the remote or the app, which I will get to later. Other features include their 4K Pass-Through Chromecast, and even Google Assistant. So the main issue I have testing out this soundbar is that my TV is really old and does not have the sufficient connections. So I'll be testing it using my phone and my computer. You can now use an app to control the soundbar. The whole experience is very clean, but I did find it a little troublesome to use it to connect the whole system together. Your experience may vary. And another point to note, the volume sliders are absolutely terrible. They are really sensitive, so you have to be really careful when using it. I have scared myself several times while trying to increase the volume. I listened to a couple of tracks on Spotify and it does sound pretty good. The low end is bouncy when using the bass boost effect, but significantly reduced when you turn on the music effect. The bass boost occasionally muddles out the mid-range and the high range, but not that much. But for the music sound effect, it does sound a little tinny and it kind of muddles out the rest of the instruments as well. So this soundbar actually comes with Dolby Atmos, and if you're not familiar with Dolby Atmos, it's actually just this, it basically gives the sound a more three-dimensional effect. For example, if your movie is showing a plane flying overhead, it will actually make the sound as if that there is a plane flying over you. And it sounds absolutely amazing. I usually watch my movies using my own TV speakers, but this really changes the game. But don't forget to change the sound effects to movie mode because it will definitely make a difference. Unfortunately, as of filming this video, there are not many streaming websites that support Dolby Atmos, but if you're a Netflix user, you're good and ready to go. So this whole setup costs about 1,100 Singapore dollars, and if you think about it, if you're able to get that kind of cinema experience right in your home, I think it's a really good deal. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Bye!